I've never tasted eggs this delicious. An amazing recipe of eggs with tomato for breakfast. Take 6 eggs and place them in a large bowl. These eggs will be the base of our recipe. Watch the video until the end. The final dish will amaze you. Meanwhile, in a skillet, add a drizzle of olive oil. With the oil hot, add a chopped onion. Stir and sauté the onion until it becomes translucent and slightly golden. Now, take a red bell pepper and cut it in half to remove the seeds. After cleaning it well, cut the pepper into thin strips. Stay with us until the end and find out how to prepare eggs that will surprise your taste buds. And don't forget to comment below. What's your favorite breakfast dish? We love to know what you like to prepare. Then add the bell pepper to the skillet. Stir everything very well so that the flavors mix and the pepper starts to soften, adding a slight sweetness to the dish. Next, cut 2 tomatoes into small pieces. The tomatoes will add a juicy and tangy touch to the recipe, perfectly balancing the flavor of the eggs and vegetables. I'm sure this recipe will be a real hit in your home. Add the chopped tomatoes to the skillet and mix well. The colorful appearance is already mouth-watering. Don't miss the end of the video. The result of this recipe is irresistible. Now, to intensify the flavor even more, add a tablespoon of tomato sauce and half a cup of water. This will create a light and delicious sauce that coats all the ingredients. Let everything cook for a few minutes so the flavors can blend perfectly. Carefully transfer the eggs to the skillet so they don't break. It's time to season. Add a bit of black pepper and salt to taste. The black pepper adds a slight spiciness, which pairs wonderfully with the tomato sauce and vegetables. And that's it. Our recipe is ready to be served. This dish is perfect accompanied by a slice of fresh bread or a crispy toast. Serve it hot and enjoy every bite of this irresistible combination of eggs and tomato. Did you enjoy this recipe? Share it with your friends and family, and let us know how your version turned out. We're super curious to hear your thoughts. This recipe is perfect for a snack, as a side dish for a meal, or even to surprise your friends. I'm sure once you try it, you'll want to make it over and over again. If you've made it this far, rate this recipe from 0 to 10 in the comments and tell me what you think. Don't forget to like the video and leave your comment below. What recipe would you like to see here next time? Thank you for watching until now. See you in the next video.